The sun is setting on another beautiful day here in Fiji. Bula! Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency in this 333 island nation of Fiji. And you are looking at Denarau Marina, just over there. That's where our offices are. And lots of great restaurants, shopping, retail, coffee shops, wine bars, nice nightlife. And we can tell you all the tips and tricks about how to best settle into this beautiful country. And I'm going to walk you through a rental property that is really great for a professional couple or a family, someone that loves water sports. And look, everything's ready to go. You have your hose, you can hose your boat off. We can get you one of those, maybe some kayaks, and you can literally have this right here that I'm standing on could be your rental home in Fiji. So yell over to your family and your friends that are sitting near you with your smartphone and your laptop, because they're going to want to see this. Here is a spectacular home, 4 bedrooms, and fully furnished, turnkey, self-contained, great sitting bure here. Notice the etching. Look at that nice custom woodwork here. It's totally lit up at night. This is really, really scenic. Your garden is ready to go. Put in anything in that you want. We actually have people that can help set that up for you when you get here. And in fact, we're doing that ourselves. So lots of concierge services that we provide that no one else does. Food delivery, setting up your own gardens, drivers, you name it, package delivery. There's so many things that we can share with you. But first and foremost, let's show you your new rental house here on Denarau Island in one of the most premier precinct neighborhoods, which is called Riverside Gardens. It's called Riverside Gardens because you have these beautiful waterways here. And then on the other side, you have the continuation of the Nandi River going through here too. So very, very beautiful property, fully furnished. Barbecue comes with it. What you see is what you get here. We can obviously change things around to your liking, but who wouldn't love that 4-poster bed there? Look at that. Oh, vaulted ceilings, extra storage here. If you have to do some work, I guess you could do it there while you're here, putting in all your belongings here. Hopefully they're just going to be bathing suits and nice casual wear because you're ready to retire and relax. And wait a second, jetted tub, you got it. Here's that shower stall to go with it, lit up. Really, really cool, right? So this is the separated master suite. Look at all those jetted tubs. And after a day of surfing Cloud Break or frigates or some of the world-class surfing here in Fiji or some of the best soft coral diving in the world, you might want to just sit in that tub and soak it all in with a nice glass of wine or maybe some Fijian rum. So here are the double doors that'll pop out into that pool area. I want to show you this door here. Let me come out. This is your entryway, but this is a really great feature too. Let me just look at that. Oh, and this owner is a big fisherman and you can see why. Look at that. All this hand-carved doors, beautiful. Really makes an impact when people come here and see the property. You also have a double car enclosed garage, which is fantastic if you're coming here part-time to Fiji and you want to keep your belongings here and make sure that they're secure. No problem. Plus you have a guard-gated precinct here, so 24/7 access guarded here in the precinct and also onto the island as well. So very, very safe for everybody coming into Fiji and living here on Denarau Island. Washer and the dryer, lots of extra storage here in the garage. Let's go see some kitchen, because if you guys love cooking, you're going to love this. Boom. How about that? Great block. Granite combination, beautiful prepping. Fisher Paykel top-of-the-line appliances with storage, microwave. There's your 4 gas burner stovetop and vent hood with a dishwasher. Double sinks. Lots of upper and lower storage. That's really, really important, especially if you're coming to a new country and if you're bringing your own belongings, or if you want to have everything self-contained, you want to make sure that you have places to store everything. Here you go. You could be picturing yourself right here, sitting down and enjoying yourself. Access to the side yard here. Aircon here. aircon here, so you're going to be cool whether you think you are or not. You are definitely going to be cool in this house. Ceiling fans, flat screen TV, fully furnished. Let's just take another peek out here at the backyard. Really, really beautiful. All right, so I'm going to show you now. You saw the master suite that's separated. I'm going to show you the 2 downstairs bedrooms that are fully furnished. This owner had kids too, so they were just really turnkey, ready to go. Here is one of the bathrooms, very modern, tiled throughout, great shower stall, as you're going to see. So if you're looking for the modern touches in a foreign country, you're going to get a great combination of both. Lots of storage here for the kids or for your family members. And what's really great also is they have access, each of these bedrooms has access outside to the sitting areas, great grass play area. There's that boat pontoon. So if you are yachty, boaty, you love surfing, fishing, getting out on the water, doing some scuba diving or snorkeling, you can have your own boat, and literally steps away, you get on your boat there and you walk over here, probably pick up a drink there, say hello to your friends by the swimming pool. Up here, there's their big game room. We're going to go see that in a minute. And there's the family members right here. So let's go see this other bedroom. Fully furnished, really, really cute. I know you're getting excited because you're taking notes right now, and you've probably already called over your spouse and significant other and family members and said, oh my God, this is going to be a perfect house for us when we move to Fiji, because we're looking for a lifestyle that we really want and we've been longing for. Beautiful Pacific green furniture there. That is actually made, and that piece here, actually made of palm trees. So palm wood, which is sustainable, built and designed right here in Fiji. A lot of really cool things to see and do here. And as your real estate and concierge team, we here at Professionals can help you get exactly what you need, like this bar area here, aircon, more TV. Hey, why not play some ping pong while you're talking about all the incredible activities that you did here in Fiji, and then come back out here on your private patio and just look at the beautiful water and sunsets like we are now. So find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and all of this tropical paradise is going to become your reality. Look forward to seeing you soon. Vanaka.